Let's read Ditty Bird children's songs. The Wheels on a Bus. Next up, Five Little Ducks.
Five little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. All the ducks said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back.
Perfect. If you're happy and you know it.
Happy and you know it, clap your hands. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Next, bingo.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name.
Five little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Perfect. Next, head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes and eyes and ears and mouth and a nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's sing some songs from Ditty Bird action songs. Dingle Dangle Scarecrow.
When all the cows were sleeping and the sun had gone to bed, up jumped the scarecrow, and this is what he said. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this and shake my feet like that.
That is so fun. Pat a cake.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me.
Here we go round the mulberry bush.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
Simon Says.
Simon says, put your hands on your knees. Simon says, put your hands on your hips. Put your hands on your head. Oops, I didn't say Simon says.
Hey, let's play Simon Says. If I say Simon Says first, make the motion. But if I don't say Simon Says first, don't move. That's how we play the game. That is so fun. Next, I'm a little teapot.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
Last one. Do you know the Muffin Man?
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Teddy bird farm animal sounds. Let's read and listen to different kinds of animal sounds. Bella the cow likes eating grass all day long. When Bella does not eat, she says, Molly the sheep likes being around her friends. How many sheep can you hear? Ditty bird likes feeding Darcy the duck at the pond. Can you hear Darcy calling her ducklings? Robbie the pig likes playing in muddy puddles. What does Robbie say? Ditty bird likes riding his horse Gavin. Can you hear them coming? Let's sing Farm Animal Song.
Ditty bird lives on the farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some friends, E-I-E-I-O. The cow goes moo, the duck says quack, E-I-E-I-O. The sheep goes bow, the horse says neigh, E-I-E-I-O.
So much fun. Thank you so much for reading with me.